Hello, my name is Kung. Welcome to cyberNet channel. This video will show how to install the Telnet client program in Windows 10. Let open Control Panel. Select the view by category, and the program item. Click the link Turn Window feature on or off to open the Windows feature window. Click the checkbox for Telnet Client. Telnet is a simple program that opens a TCP/IP connection to a server and allows you to type text commands and view text responses. However, it can be used to connect to a web server as well. The Telnet Client program is now installed. We open a command prompt to test it. We open the TCP connection to a web server. Type the command get // and press the enter key. This uses HTTP version 0.9 by default. Note that we don't see the command when typing it. Now we can see the server return the web page. If you want to keep the connection open, use HTTP version 1.1 by adding HTTP/1.1 to the command. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button under this video.